Well, happy Easter Sunday. If you're disappointed once again the Easter Bunny didn't bring you a 69 Chevelle, well, that's where Maple Motors comes in. I'm going to walk around the lot, give you a sneak peek of all the new inventory that's not officially on the market yet. So this Easter Sunday, we're going to do it a little different. I'm going to hop on over to this side of the lot and work my way around counterclockwise. We're going to end at the front row. This way we're going to get to some of the new inventory a little bit faster. Speaking of, we're starting off with new inventory. It's a 1968 Chevy El Camino SS, priced at $29,900. It's a true SS. Let's take a look. Next up, this is current inventory. You remember this from last week. It's a 67 El Camino, priced at $18,900. Got a 283 under the hood, connected to an automatic. This new inventory would make for a nice Easter Sunday cruiser. It's a 1971 El Camino, priced at $21,900. Let's take a look. And we're going to skip over all these rides because they're sold. Been busy here at the lot. Now, this one was new last week. I could picture the Easter Bunny driving this. It would match his fur. It's a 1961 Buick LeSabre, priced at $19,900. Got a 364 under the hood, connected to an automatic. Another one that was new from last week, it's a 1960 Chevy Impala, kind of Easter colored. It's priced at $34,900. It's got a 327 under the hood, connected to an automatic. More current inventory. This would make for a nice springtime cruiser. A 1955 Chevy 210, priced at $31,900. It's got a good wrench 350, connected to an automatic. We're going to skip over the 67 Fastback. There's a sale pending on it. We're going to move over to the 1980 Pontiac Trans Am. This is current inventory. It's priced at $20.9. It's got a matching numbers 301 connected to an automatic. This is a fairly new one on the lot, a 1970 Chevy Nova. It's priced at $22.9 with a 350 under the hood connected to an automatic. Who doesn't love a Camaro convertible? If you're looking for one, we got a 1967 here. It's priced at $34.9. It's got a 305 under the hood connected to an automatic. Hang in there, we've got back-to-back new inventory coming up. First, let's take a look at this 1968 Chevy Camaro. It's priced at $32.9. It's got a matching numbers 327 under the hood connected to an automatic. All right, moving on to some new inventory, this time a 1966 Ford Mustang. It's priced at $23.9. Let's take a closer look. If you feel like you missed out on that 67 Fastback, don't worry, we got some new inventory. This one's a 1970 Ford Mustang Fastback, priced at $32.9. Let's take an exclusive first look. Back to back to back new inventory over here in Corvette Corner. We've got a 1978 Chevy Corvette pace car. It's priced at $19,900. Let's take a look. There's no shortage of yellow rides on the lot. We got some more current inventory here. It's a 1971 Plymouth Satellite priced at $27,900. It's got a 340 under the hood with an automatic. There's a sale pending on that 66 Chevelle, but don't worry, we're coming up on some new inventory. A 1968 Chevy Chevelle SS, priced at $37,900. It's a true SS with a big block. And I guarantee you, if you pull up to Easter Sunday service on this, oh yeah, you're going to be turning some heads. Every guy in that church is going to come out and look at it. Let's take a good look now, because this one may not be here by next week. This one was new last week. Of course, the Ricky Bobby 69 Chevy Chevelle. It's priced at $28,900. It's got the Talladega Nights paint scheme. It's got a 307 under the hood, and it's got an automatic. You guys remember this 69 GTO, another yellow ride. This may be a record for the most yellow rides I think I've ever seen on the lot. This one's priced at $34,900. It's got a 400 under the hood, connected to an automatic. And last but not least, of course, the 69 Plymouth Roadrunner that we've all come to know and love. It's priced at $37,900. It's got a matching numbers 383 under the hood, connected to an automatic. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Maybe the Easter Bunny will bring it to you next year. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a good rest of your Easter Sunday. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the sneak peeks of all the new inventory before it hits the market every Sunday. I'll see you guys next time.